Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi 12x, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, you need to access clock by tapping on it. Then select alarm over here if it's not already on and tap on this blue plus icon. Now you need to set up an hour and choose repeat. Then select one of those options, once daily, Monday to Friday, or custom. I will go with custom, so now I can pick days of the week manually and save them by choosing OK. Then click on the switcher next to vibrate when alarm sounds to switch on or off vibrations. Tap on label and label your alarm however you wish to, like work. Then tap on OK and select ringtone. You can pick one of those melodies or choose all ringtones, tap on allow and select one of those by tapping on apply next to the chosen one. Then going back. You can also choose all ringtones and this time tap on choose local one. Then select one of those sources like file manager. Scroll down, tap on agree and continue, just allowing the pop-up, and pick song from your smartphone by tapping on the one that you wish to set up, choosing OK at the bottom, and tapping apply next to it. Then go back and save your alarm by choosing the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. You can switch it off completely by tapping on the switcher next to it and turn it and selecting one of those options, obviously, and turn it back on the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!